5G in IoT. Explanation of IoT.
First, what is IoT? It's a web of interconnected devices, from our homes to industries, each capable of sending and receiving data, making our lives smarter and more efficient.
Introduction to 5G.
5G, the fifth generation of wireless technology, offers blazing speed, low latency, and massive device capacity. It's a game changer for IoT.
Benefits of 5G in IoT.
5G turbocharges IoT. It means instant data transfers, enabling applications like remote surgery and autonomous vehicles to thrive.
Real-world application.
The real magic happens when we see 5G in action, transforming smart cities, optimizing agriculture, and enhancing healthcare.
Challenges and concerns.
Of course, this rapid transformation is not without challenges. We must address security, privacy, and the need for extensive infrastructure.
Industry and adoption.
Industries across the globe are embracing 5G, pushing the boundaries of what's possible.
5G and sustainability.
5G is not just about speed, it's about sustainability. Energy efficient IoT devices can help reduce our carbon footprint.
Future possibilities.
As we gaze into the future, it's clear that 5G and IoT will unlock endless possibilities.
Conclusion.
In conclusion, 5G and IoT are rewriting the rules of connectivity, creating a world that's smarter, faster, and more interconnected than ever before.